Okay, I am now taking a break from playing Shotgun Farmers, and I'll get back soon, but for right now I am going to be playing Jeep Thrills on my PlayStation 2.
Get off the PlayStation right now and I will now break it.
What the freak, Daphne? You just broke my dadgum TV.
I don't care about that. You're not supposed to be playing your PlayStation 2 while grounded.
You asked for it.
That's it. I've had enough of you. After you threw me to the wall and knocked the Tar Heel frame down, I called the mental asylum to take you away, so they are on the way now to get you.
No. I don't want to go to the mental asylum. It is sucky and boring there.
I don't care. I had enough with you. You threw me to the wall. So, ciao.
What a crazy girl.
Hello, your name is Leprechaun. Me and Will are taking you to our mental asylum, because Daphne does not want you, but anyways, we are here now.
No. I don't want to be in the mental asylum.
Too bad, son. In our mental asylum, you will be having a lot of punishments by us, because we are giving you a lot of punishment, because of the way you acted to Daphne. You are such a bad boy.
Leprechaun and SCP-973, welcome to the mental asylum. You are here for your punishment. You will be here for 6 months. Me and Nathan brought you here in our big van. Your punishment is you will be sitting right there and you guys better not move. But anyways, I am going to the bathroom, and me and Nathan are going to have some coffee. But you guys better not move because we can see you on security.
Hello, who is this? I'm Leprechaun, who are you? I'm SCP-973, nice to meet you. Would you like to be friends? Yeah, SCP-973, you are very interesting, let's be friends. Of course, I hate the mental asylum, do you? Yes, SCP-973, there needs to be a way out of here. I agree, Leprechaun, I hate the mental asylum, because it is sucky and boring. I got sent here for running over someone with my own police cruiser. And I got sent here for punching and pushing Daphne to the wall and made the frame hit her face when I pushed her. But anyways, since those two main people are gone now, how about we escape? That is such a good idea, SCP-973, since those guys are gone, which I hope they're not looking at security camera. Let's get out of here quick before they see us on security. I agree, now let's go.
Commander Davis, we have bad news. Those two troublemakers escaped the room. Come on, let's go get them.
Oh my god, Commander Jones, thanks for telling me. Let's go in the van and get them now.
Hey! What are you doing?
Stealing your truck.
Yeah, we'll bring it back. Come on. Oh, ice cream too. No. You turn that off? Oh, sorry. No ice cream for you today. Gotta go. Gotta get back to Good Bird. About to open, man. We gotta get there and make sure nobody eats that poison sauce. Man, they're gaining on us. Whoa, ice cream cones. Look, I got Funky Pops, Monster popsicles and lemon juice pops. Ed, this is no time for frozen treats, all right? Yeah, but wait, give me one. Oh, here you go. Thanks.
What was that?
Huh.
I think it's a fudgesicle.
Give me some more. Get out of here. Yeah. Have some vanilla. Oh, take that. Oh, a little bit of that. Oh, have some raspberry sorbet. Oh, how you like me now? I'm a dude. Oh, an ice cream. Oh, there's vanilla. Yeah, take some chocolate. Yeah, fudge. Oh, yeah, there you go, baby.
Oh. Yeah, they're gonna have you on this old homie. Huh?
I can't see! I can't see!
Look out, look out! Oh, no! Woo! Lost him!
Phew, that was close. Yes, Lep, we lost them, yoo-hoo.
We just accidentally crashed into someone's mailbox, because those two troublemakers just threw a lot of ice cream at us and we couldn't see, so we just crashed and can't even move the van. The transmission is broken.
I agree. Let's call the police and track down those two troublemakers in the ice cream truck.
Let's do it. Okay, I got a walkie-talkie and message on computer that some two troublemakers escaped the mental asylum, so I'm going to go look for them. You guys are busted.
Wah! Wah!
Leprechaun, how dare you escape the mental asylum and steal an ice cream truck with SCP-973, and went to jail for 6 months. That's it, you are grounded for 1 week. Go to your room now.
Wah! SCP-973, how dare you escape the mental asylum and steal an ice cream truck with Leprechaun, and went to jail for 6 months. That's it, you are grounded for 1 week. And you will also not be driving your police cruiser as well, because I am taking your car keys away. Go to your room right now. Wah!